Howdy everybody. Yep, I'm actually really tired of this bullet itching my arm and everything, and I keep telling everybody that I'm going to remove it. Well, guess what? It's that time. So guys, ladies, what you see may be a little hard for you guys to handle. So if you don't want to watch it, don't watch it. Okay? And please, do not do this at home. Alright? Got my surgical kit right here. Okay? So I can prepare everything. Give me a second, be right back. Alright. Now, is what we're going to do is you might see that the camera's going to be getting a little jumpy here. I just got to situate myself to where I can actually get to the back of my arm so I can cut it out. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what we got here. Okay, you see the bump right there? Yeah, I'm getting ready to cut this sucker out. As y'all can see, this is where I got shot. Went in right here, try and rode the ribs around, came out right here, and then it turned and went in right here at that's where it went in at, and it went through my arm, and it's right here. Okay, so I'm going to turn this a little more to where I can actually better see it. Alrighty guys, alright, now I gotta clean the area real quick. So I'm washing it down. Where'd it go? There it is. So I'm prepping it, so please forgive me if I don't do too much talking. So that way you guys can get the full effect of what's going on. Just gonna make a couple small cuts here, if I can see it. Alright. It should be getting ready to come out here. Apparently I ain't getting a good enough grab on it. Alright, hold on here. Move it down a bit so I can get into a comfortable position here. It's starting to burn a little bit. Let's see if we can. There we go. Where'd it go? Right now I'm poking to see if I can find the bullet. There it is. Making small scrapes. It just cut in. It's like not wanting to do. So almost see if I can get a better view of it here. It's kind of hard to do on yourself because of the place that it's in. Gotta take my glasses off here, sorry, so I can actually see better. Alright, bullet's right there. It's actually cutting into the skin here. Don't want to cut the bullet because I don't want to damage the bullet. There we go. Got to wipe clean here. So y'all can see the blood there. So gotta wipe it clean. Pull back. Do a little, got a little bit of hair up on there. Doing a little bit more cutting. Think I hit the bullet. Not sure. So again, ladies and gentlemen, please don't do this shit at home. Alright? Because it is quite, how shall we say, disgusting. And for kind people, it's, how shall we say, a little painful, but not much. Excuse me. God, sicko. Got to get down a little further. So got to get down right about in here. Damn glasses. Okay. Sorry if it keeps going out of camera view, but I'm trying the best I can here. And yes, this does take a little while, so it may be two-part video. So, okay. Oh, I think I just hit the bullet. I'm trying not to hit the bullet. So, as you can see, I'm not joshing. See? Yep, I just hit the bullet. So, just gotta wait a little bit. Let it calm down. Okay. This is not easy for everybody to do. So, just thought I'd let you all know, okay? It's quite a long video, and I apologize. So, anyway, back to work. Gotta get some more water here. I don't know if it's actually going to come out this dry or not. I think it may be still stuck in there and maybe still cauterized to some of the skin and stuff inside. So, Alrighty. I'm gonna see what I can do. Alright. I actually got to take a break and got to get a drink of water. You too tend to feel a little queasy when you're actually doing this yourself, so I'm going to turn and take a small break, get me some water. I'll be right back. Alright? Be right back. I'll definitely be right back.